In today's video, let's quickly talk about the way that you fix your YouTube channel hack. If you think that your YouTube channel is hacked, let me show you a couple of things that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you need to immediately check out is if you can access your Google account or not. So to do that, you'll just need to head over to myaccount.google.com/security, and then inside of this section you'll be able to see the option called change password. If you are able to access your Google account, make sure you immediately change your password and add in a secured password. Also make sure that you turn on the two-step verification and then add in a extra layer of security. But however, if you are not able to access your Google account, what you can do is search for g.go/recover. And once you search for that, you'll be directed to this page where you'll need to verify that it is you that you are trying to access your account. So add in your email address or phone number that is associated with your Google account, and as well as add in your password. You'll be able to access your Google account immediately using this process. Once you've done that, you can repeat the previous process that I showed you, that is to change your password and add in an extra layer of security by enabling the two-factor authentication. I do hope this guide video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next one.